Hey guys, welcome to my Natural Academia. In today's video, we're going to be taking down these braids. I'm just going to get right into it because this hairstyle has run its course. It's time for it to go. It was really cute while it lasted, but we got to get rid of her. It still looks good though, I'm not going to lie. I mean, it looks a little bit crusty in the roots, but it still looks good. I actually really did enjoy wearing this for the 2.5 weeks that I had them in my hair. I really did enjoy wearing this hairstyle. But let me just put my hair in a little ponytail. You can already see, like, I have a few, probably like 2 or 3 of the braids that kind of, or not the braids, but 2 or 3 sections that had beads on fell off, and I took this one off and put in a little twist. It looks like really shrunken. I didn't really moisturize it or anything. I just put it in a little twist, and it feels really dry. All right, so to save myself time, I have this huge scissor that I'm gonna be cutting the rubber bands off with because I don't have the time to be untwisting them one by one. And I also have this cup so I can put the beads in. Yeah. How are your guys' day going? I'm having a good day. I know y'all probably don't care, but I took one out. But anyways, I was planning on letting these beads sit in my hair for like a month, and it's only been 2.5 weeks because my birthday's in a couple days and I can't be walking around with old hair. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair yet. This year I wasn't really planning on doing anything for my birthday because last year I feel like I celebrated so much. Well, not so much, but enough. I threw myself a whole birthday party, I threw myself a whole birthday party and acted surprised. It's because I feel like I would never had anybody throw me a birthday party in my lifetime, so I was like, if I want something, let me just go ahead and do it myself, because why wait for somebody else to do it when I could do it myself? So threw myself a little birthday party last year, and 5 people attended, one of which was myself, so technically 4 people attended, but it's still fine. I'm all partied out, to be honest. I don't really have the desire to do anything for the rest of my birthdays. Not that you guys care, but I don't know. I never even thought I'd make it past the age of 20. So to be turning 21, that is really big for me. So congrats to myself. So that's why I'm taking my beads out, because my birthday's coming up. I didn't want to walk into my birthday. I mean, I'm already not doing anything for my birthday, so to walk into my birthday with undone hair. I wasn't planning on doing anything at all for my birthday because I don't know. It's just another day for me, but I think I'm just gonna go out to dinner or something to go eat because I've been on this fast food cleanse, trying to force myself to not eat fast food. So I haven't really been eating out much. This is gonna be a little treat to myself to eat out, I guess, but I'll just do it on a weekend, not actually on the day of my birthday. But that's that. All right, so this is one section. But on another note, in regards to my hair, I haven't re-moisturized. Well, no, I've re-moisturized my hair a total of 1 time in the span of the 2.5 weeks that this style has been in my hair, or on my hair, I should say. And my hair, I'm not gonna lie, kind of feels pretty dry still. I guess I didn't do a good job, or maybe because I haven't been wearing my scarf to bed as much as I should. So that could also be a contributor as to why my hair is drying out. It still feels a little bit moisturized, but it's not as juicy as I usually like my hair to feel. I think I'm gonna go back to wearing my chunky braids for the summer. I know I said I was gonna try not to do any more hair growth challenges this year, but I think I'm gonna do one, like a hair growth challenge this summer, just to get my hands out of my hair, because I've only styled my hair, what, 2 or 3 times this year so far, and I'm already starting to get tired of it. I don't know how people do it so often because it is tiring. I spent 8 hours doing this style of my hair, and it's probably gonna take me like, what, an hour to take it out? So I don't know. Hair growth challenge pending for the summertime. I'm pretty sure I have like buildup at the roots of my hair because I could just feel it. Look at the buildup. What is going on? My hair's not even that old. You know what it is? Leave it to me to drop the whole beads. And look at this nasty buildup. Oof. Child. I mean, is it terrible? No. Is it gross? Yes. Alright, so this is how one section is looking like unbraided. It's giving the girls dry. I'm not gonna lie. It's giving dry. But even though my hair is dirty right now, I mean, I showed you guys the roots and my buildup. I kind of have somewhere to go tonight at like 7. I'm kind of in the mood to wear my hair out today, so I'm just gonna re-moisturize it. That way I can do a braid out in a couple hours. It probably won't last that long because I'm doing it like 3 hours before the event starts. I don't know, I'm gonna do it anyway just because I'm feeling a little bit exciting today. But since this video is just the takedown portion, I won't re-moisturize my hair before I show you guys how it looks like without any sort of moisturizer, how it looks like after 2.5 weeks of letting it sit in those braids. That was the main point of this video, so I won't re-moisturize it on camera. I'll just show you guys what my hair looks like without any type of moisture. You're gonna see how bad it looks in the end, towards the end at least. But for now, we're just putting in a little twist. I have so much buildup. What is going on? You know what it is? It's been like hella humid. Every time it gets to springtime in Florida, it's just very humid and very rainy all the time. And I don't know, that on top of all the lint I be around probably contributes to the buildup. Or maybe my hair just starting to build up. Because I remember there was a point in time back in the day, your girl ain't had no buildup. There was no such thing as buildup to natural academia. But I don't know, I guess as your hair changes, as it gets longer, or as, I don't know, times changes, your environment changes, your hair changes as well, and the chemistry of it all changes. Because I never really used to get buildup like this before, and if I did, it used to be in the back of my hair. I'm starting to see them a lot more often. Is it something that I'm doing wrong? Who knows? Is it normal? I think buildup is normal. I don't know. It's just like a combination of like product and mess, like lint and stuff. So I'm not too worried about it. I guess it shows that my hair is growing, like a demarcation line between the new growth and the not new growth. So I'm not pressed about it. You know, I thought this was gonna look really bad, but it really doesn't. I forgot to mention that like I'm going to be finger detailing my hair as I go through. Why, you may ask? Because if I don't, my hair will knot at the roots and all throughout my hair, and it'll be harder for me to manage it later on after it knots. So as I take them down, or each section down, I'm just gonna finger detangle it and get rid of these curls, the little bit of curls that are showing from the braids. So yeah. Alright, so this back section, I'm just gonna put it in a twist like I did the other sections, and I'll probably end up doing the other side of my hair off camera before I come back and show you guys how my hair looks like out. Alright guys, so that took about like 2 hours to do. 2 hours? Yeah, so about an hour on each side. Keep in mind that I was finger detangling as I was taking it down. This is how my hair is looking in a big twist. It's just some big chunky twists that I did. I didn't want to have to re-moisturize my hair and put them in the braids, so I just put them in the twist because they're easy and fast. I'm just gonna take my hair down, that way you guys can see how my hair is looking like dry. Ooh, child. I have this thing to go to like in like 30 minutes. What time is it? Not even 30 minutes, like 25 minutes. I was supposed to wear my hair out. Kind of starting to second guess it because I look a mess, but it's okay because no one's gonna walk up to me and be like, natural academia, you look a mess. No one's gonna do that. I hope not, at least, because some people be bold, but I would never do that to somebody. All right, so this is how my hair is looking. A mess. I'm gonna give you guys a little back view. This is how it looks like from the back. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to pull this off. Probably try putting in like a low ponytail or something. Yeah, I'll probably end up putting my hair in like a low ponytail or something. But this is how my hair looks like after taking it out of the little mini braids. It's whatever. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This wasn't really an informal type of video, just me taking down my little mini braids. The hairstyle was cute while it lasted, but honestly, I'm ready to stop putting my hands in my hair. I've been doing too much with my hair lately, and I just feel like I need to put it away for a little while, like probably like 2-3 months, 4 months maybe. So that's the next style that's gonna be on my head, just my chunky braids for a couple months. But this is what we're looking like.